Hey guys, so it's a new day. I started sanding the Miata again. I've sanded this quarter and all that thing back there and this right here. Up to about a little bit of the door. And then all the way. Go some more bondo there. Alright guys, it's almost dark, but after many hours on end, this Miata is finally sanded with 80 and 180 grit. We got it all the way down to bare metal. Alright, so it's 7 in the morning. The last clip you guys saw was of sanding this Miata. We're about to travel 2 hours to go pick up some parts for it, specifically a front bumper, rear bumper. Front bumper because, as can be seen, it cracked the end, which kind of sucks, but if we want to paint it correctly, we're gonna have to do it anyway. The door trim that we're still missing, this right here, we don't have that. And then a few other miscellaneous parts that would just be cheaper to buy there. It's a pick your part yard. So I'm gonna have to get all my tools together so I can take them off myself. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and do that real quick. And then I will throw it in the back of the car and we will see you guys on the road real quick. There's a sneak peek for the next Durango video. All right, I'll see you guys.
At LKQ, taking stuff off the Miata for Matt's project.
Front bumper.
Front bumper.
Yeah. When will we take the bumper off?
Working on the back bumper now. There's the front.
The real front here is the vertical filming.
The vertical filming?
Yeah. All right, guys, we got it at LKQ. We got the rear and the front bumper, along with a whole bunch of parts, as you can see. We also got a short throw shifter for Braden's NB, so that's cool. But we got a taillight, mirror, center console, whole bunch of stuff. I'll show you once we get it in the car. All right, guys, we got everything in the trunk. Speaker covers, shifter, center console. Got the tail light, mirror. Ours was rattling around, so I got a new one. Here's the bumpers. We also got some gas caps to fix my mom's X5 evap system, which is acting up. So we'll get back on the road. All right, guys, it's a new day with the Miata. Last you saw, we were up at LKQ buying the bumpers. There's the front bumper and rear. Braden's gonna go ahead and sand them down with 180 grit, and the rest of the parts are in here. I have got some bondo and I'm going to refill that. All right, guys, I got the bondo spread all over the car and all the spots that it needs it. Hey guys, unfortunately it's getting dark on us. I got the tail lights and back cover off the Miata. I'm now working on getting the rear bumper off. Braden's still sanding and he's got it just about perfect. As you can see, almost all the imperfections are gone. There's the back plate. I'm gonna get this bumper off. It is dark, so I'm not gonna film it, but I will show you guys when I get it off. All right guys, so I got the rear bumper off. We're now down to nothing in the back. So let's move on to the front bumper.
You're a car guy, you gotta have your dog with you.
All right guys, the front bumper is off. Took a lot of work. It was much easier in the junkyard for some reason, but it's off. All right guys, so it's midnight. We've got the bondo work on this door done. Hood's done, can't see it because it's dark. Fender's done. I'm working on this rear quarter. Got it flat up here, but not here yet. Braden did right here. It's really nice. He's currently working on this quarter panel, which is also looking really good. Getting it pretty smooth. Still got the door up here and got one on the fender. All right guys, it's now about 2 o'clock in the morning. We got the rear bumper on and all the bondo is sanded down except for up here. I applied some more. We got it all nice and smooth on both sides. Braden's working on getting the brace off the old bumper so we can put the front bumper on. All right guys, the rear end of the Miata is back on completely. We got all the gaps right, all the bumpers, reflectors. Now it's time to move on to the front. It has started to rain, which is really annoying. I'm worried this car is gonna rust. We're gonna have to sand it again before we go tomorrow. Braden's over there putting the reflectors on the side of the bumper. So let's get it on. Hey guys, so it's the next morning. We're on the way to the paint shop. We got everything pretty much all the way on. The front bumper is kind of halfway on because we ran out of time, but it's not going to come off. Everything that's important that needs to be painted is on the car. So we're heading there now and we'll let you guys know how it goes.